by mistake. You are at the right place. My people, welcome and welcome and welcome back to this channel. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! When I'll be uploading this video, it will be already 2021. We thank God for this far He has brought us. We are really grateful. So today, when you see me here and you see me like this, I'm here for something good, something fantastic, something hotter, hotter than fire. And by the way, guys, I'm thinking of opening another channel whereby I'll be doing vlogs, pranks, challenges, and all those stuff. So, subscribers, thank you so much. And for the new subscribers, welcome to this crazy family. Whereby, what do we do, guys? For the new subscribers, we hit that subscribe button. Yes, we do that. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get to 1,000. Don't forget to first prime your face. You prime it first, huh? So after that, you're not going to apply your foundation first. No way. You're going to set. So for me, I'm using my makeup fix from Kiss Beauty 3X. Yeah. Let it dry. So after it has dried up, now you're going to use your foundation. I don't know what type of foundation you're using, but you use a foundation that works better with your skin. So for me, I'm using my Milani in the shade Chestnut. So let's do it. I'm using my saturated off the excess. So we don't want this line over here. This one, it looks awful, and we don't want it. So we have come to the end of the video, please. So Happy New Year. I was about to say Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, guys. Before everyone will be seeing this video, it will be on 1st January 2021.